Hello everyone, the Panda Photographer here, and let's talk about the hidden gem behind YouTube and its copyright music. Now, a lot of you are wondering how to get free copyrighted music, and there is a hidden gem within the YouTube itself that no one talks about. Everyone's talking about how to work the algorithm, the hashtags, the thumbnails, the editing, and so forth, right? But it's so simple, so easy. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go to the home page, then go to the right, click on create a studio. Come on, let this load up really quickly. Now we are in the creator studio, and the next step I want you to do is go to see with this icon with the camera that says create. Click on create, and what do you know, there is an audio library for you to download free copyrighted music of any genre. It's there, and not only that, you can download sound effects as well. So you can search up the sound effects that you want, and you can download it for your YouTube and your editing. But this prevents anyone from using any copyright material of music or sounds for their YouTube content. So therefore, in the past 2-3 years, I noticed this, but no one's talked about it. So I'd rather talk about it and bring it to you guys. So there is a solution to your copyrighted music solutions, and if you want to download it, all you have to do is listen to the music. You can play it, then you can download it. And once you download it, download to the folder where you can locate it, and you can edit with your photos in whatever application that you add your content. But this is a quick hidden gem in YouTube. So with that said, this has been the Panda Photographer from 6for6studios.com. Please do subscribe to the channel. Please do hit the notification button. If you find this video very informative, and if you didn't know about this, please do me a favor. If you want to support this channel, you can do so by making a small donation to the PayPal link down in the description below. You can follow me on social medias as well, on Instagram, Twitter, Mixi, Facebook, and a lot more. With that said, EC photography, videography, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video.